Do you want to get access up to $4,000 today and at the same time build credit and save money? In this video, I will be reviewing SeedFi's Borrow and Grow plan and tell you what's it all about. What's up, winners? My name is Naam. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Here we talk all things personal finance and credit. Start now by subscribing so you don't miss out on any future videos. Today, I wanted to talk about a company that I am partnering with called SeedFi. First off, let's talk about who exactly is this company. SeedFi is a fintech company that's based out of San Francisco, and their goal is to build financial products to help the 100 million Americans living paycheck to paycheck. They provide lower cost access to money while simultaneously providing the opportunity to build credit and start saving. They do this by offering a special type of loan called a credit builder loan, which helps you build your credit by reporting to the credit bureaus each time that you make a payment. Depending on which plan you choose, you may receive the cash up front. It just all depends on your needs and specifications. Look, we all know that making good financial decisions can be hard, and it's hard because the system is set up to profit when you fail. That's how most of these loan agencies make money. But SeedFi is different because SeedFi's model is constructed so that they benefit when you benefit. So in other words, SeedFi is designed to help you win. So now let's go over what the Borrow and Grow plan is and how does it work. Traditional loans work like this. You receive money up front and you pay it back plus interest over a set period of time. These loans, they come with burdensome levels of interest and they leave you vulnerable to another crisis in the future. This is where SeedFi comes in. SeedFi is actually the first company that I came across that combines a short-term loan and a credit builder loan. SeedFi's Borrow and Grow plan provides each client a lower interest loan with a built-in savings account. Think of it as a three-step process. In step 1, you borrow money that you need today, plus some extra savings for later. For step 2, you build credit for every on-time plan payment. Payments are set up whenever you receive your paycheck. This can be every other week, bi-monthly, or monthly as needed. And in step 3, you unlock your savings when you finish paying off your loan. So what does this mean in real time? Say you are borrowing $4,500 using SeedFi's Borrow and Grow plan. You can choose how much you put aside in a savings account, and the interest rate will decrease the more money that you put in savings. $3,000 may be available upfront, and $1,500 will be put away in a savings account in your name and then locked. With an APR of 19.99%, you'll be paying $80 every 2 weeks for about 3 years. And then once you paid it off, they will unlock the remaining $1,500 for you to do what you want. Check out the terms of an example plan in the description. And it's really all that simple. So who is this plan for? On paper, SeedFi's Borrow and Grow plan is for people who need money right away but want to build credit in the process. If you don't need access to cash today, then check out SeedFi's credit builder plan, which I will go over a little bit later in this video. In many ways, it's really not about a loan that lasts 1, 2, or even 3 years. It's about learning good financial habits that will last a lifetime. And you will come out of it with a nest egg of accumulated savings. If you are wondering whether or not you are eligible to SeedFi's Borrow and Grow plan, want to know more, let's go over what are the requirements to apply. Anyone can check their offer as long as they are over 18, have an ITIN or social security number, have a US bank account, have a phone that receives text messages, make at least $10,000 in annual take-home pay, and live in one of the 33 states plus Washington, D.C., where SeedFi currently lends. This covers most of the US population. For a comprehensive list of eligible states, please visit SeedFi's website. Now, we come to the big question. What is the cost? At the making of this video, for a loan secured through SeedFi's Borrow and Grow plan, annual interest rates range anywhere between 6.95% to 29.99%. To put this in perspective, the finance charge can be anywhere between $120 to $2,080, depending on the loan. Rates are subject to change, so double check with their website to know what are the latest rates. So to put that into another perspective, traditional loan rates can reach as high as 35.99%, and payday loan rates average a staggering 400%. Each payment can range anywhere between $40 to $160. The exact amount really depends on the size of the loan, whether you're paying every other week, bi-monthly, or monthly, and how long your plan will last. Available loans can range anywhere between 8 to 44 months in length, and SeedFi, they always work to find a payment timeline that suits the client. Now moving on to the fees. This is what really sets SeedFi apart from its competitors. SeedFi has little to no fees whatsoever. There is no application, early repayment, annual, phone payment, or origination fee. But they do charge a small late fee ranging anywhere between $0 to $15, but they do something very unique with this. Instead of pocketing it for themselves, they put into a locked savings for you to access once you paid back your loan. Yeah, that's right, your late fees are given back to you if you have proven to be a successful customer. Now let's move on to frequently asked questions. For a longer list, check out their website. Can I get access to all of the money right away? Not quite. Today, as a first-time borrower, you can access anywhere between $300 to $4,000 in cash, and the other part will be locked in a savings account Once your loan has been paid in full, you will receive the money that is locked away. Will checking my loan offer impact my credit score? Nope, it will not change your credit score at all. Once you selected a plan and continue with your application, they will conduct a hard inquiry, which may impact your score. If you're worried about a hard pull, you may want to check out the credit builder plan. How will my credit be affected by the borrow and grow plan? Unfortunately, everybody's credit profile is different, and SeedFi cannot guarantee that you will see a credit score increase. Since the borrow and grow plan is an installment loan, the key with this financial product is to make sure that you make your payments on time. The borrow and grow plan is excellent for those who need cash right now and want to build credit, but for those who mainly want to focus on building credit, another great plan that SeedFi offers is the credit builder plan. With the credit builder plan, they put $500 into a locked savings account that you'll be able to access when the plan is fully paid off. Your on-time payments can help you build credit. So think of it as saving money, but having perks of building credit at the same time. An example plan that was provided by SeedFi is that if you were to make $20 payments every 2 weeks, you would then get access to that $500 after you're done paying it off in about a year. Again, this is current at the making of this video. Rates are subject to change, so double check with their website to know the latest rates. But if you wanted to avoid the $1 per month fee, all you would have to do is refer one person. And once you have done that, that $1 per month fee would go away from the time that you refer that person. So if you are able to refer somebody right away, you essentially can build your credit 100% for free. Now let's talk about the requirements when applying for the credit builder plan. While the borrow and grow plan does only a soft credit check when they show you your offer and a hard pull when you accept the offer, with the credit builder plan, there's no credit check whatsoever. The requirements to apply are similar to the borrow and grow plan without the income requirement. You have to be at least 18 years or older, 19 in Alabama or Nebraska, have an ITIN or social security number, a phone that receives text messages, and live in one of the states that SeedFi operates in. You can find out the full details if your state is included, link in the description. Now let's move on to some frequently asked questions about this plan. Is there any way that I can access my money early? Definitely. Every dollar that you put in is yours. If you absolutely need your cash, you may cancel your credit builder plan and receive however much of the $500 that you paid back. But remember, building excellent credit takes time and persistence. If you are struggling to make scheduled payments, SeedFi encourages you to call customer support and see what options are available to you. You will be selling yourself short if you decide to close early. Can you cancel the credit builder plan at any time? Yes, SeedFi will allow you to cancel the credit builder plan at any time. Who is holding onto my money? SeedFi has a banking partner, which is Cross River Bank, a member of the FDIC. Can I have the borrow and grow plan after finishing paying off my credit builder plan, or vice versa, or get both accounts at the same time? Unfortunately, no. At the current moment, SeedFi has not begun to allow this yet, but they are working to allow customers who have successfully completed their initial plans to apply for additional plans. Now, one of the most important questions that you may be asking is my credit score guaranteed to go up if I sign up for the credit builder loan? Just like any other credit building product out there, no company can guarantee that your credit score would go up by signing up for a credit builder loan. Each credit bureau uses different formulas to calculate your credit score. However, payment history is the most important component of your credit. Additionally, if you do not have an installment loan in your credit mix, a credit builder loan would add diversity to your credit profile. So here are my final thoughts. The borrow and grow plan is a great combination of a short-term loan and a credit builder loan. The one thing that you have to keep in mind is that with any type of loan that you take out, whether it be from a credit union or SeedFi, will affect your credit. With a traditional loan, you get all of the money up front, and all you would have to do is just make payments on a monthly basis until the balance is paid off. As long as you make all of your payments on time, you can also build credit this way as well. How SeedFi is different is that you are able to see your offer with only a soft pull and have a loan with basically no other fees outside of the interest rate that's lower than most of what you're likely to find on the market. If you want to learn more about SeedFi's credit bureau plan and how it compares to its competitors, you want to check out this video over here. I'll see you over there.